Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Here I'm going to show you how to replace the S5 screen. Here you can see that the touch button light up but not the screen. That means the screen is actually gone. So we are going to go ahead and change this. So first thing first, make sure the phone is turned off. Then open the back cover. Take off the battery. Take off the micro SD. And then take off the SIM cards if you have one. Then go ahead and open this small window like this and take off this one. Then you need a source of heat so you can try to melt the glue inside so you can take off the screen. So here I'm going to use a heat gun. Then go ahead and take the screen off. Oh, come off real easily this time. Yours can be harder, so just be patient, go slow on these steps because it's easy to mess with everything. Here, push the button down carefully like this. Yeah, and here. Here. So that's the S5 opened up, ready for the screen change. So here, note that this is the front glass plus the LDC. It's not only the front glass, because some people get confused about the front glass and the LDC. They're not the same, but this one is both the front glass and the LDC. So this is the most expensive one. If it was only the front glass, it would be like $10 one, but this one is over $100. So this is the one we need to look for if you have a broken LDC. Here I'm going to take off the old glue tape because they don't really catch the screen. So I'm going to take them off. And make some space for the new tape. So now we need some kind of tape. This tape is used to stick the screen back to this frame. So it's not any kind of tape. This is specially used for that. So that's a double one. See, as you can see, this goes like this. So both sides are sticking. Make sure everything is clean. And here I'm going to use the tape. Like this. This one goes like this. So you can put first. Push this film so it won't come out better. Put back the cover. here you can see that you just fixed your screen. You just replaced the Samsung Galaxy S5 screen. So guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, drop a like and subscribe. Don't forget to activate the notification for new videos. Thank you for watching and see you on next video.